Hello everyone. Today's lesson is not really a lesson. It's more of a pulling together the trig unit, and we're going to do an activity to see that you understand what to use when. So it's called Whose Law Is It Anyway? And I want to just review with you the tools we've learned in this trig unit so far. We've learned SOHCAHTOA, and that is to be used only with right triangles. We've reviewed the Pythagorean theorem. Again, that is only to be used in right triangles. We've reviewed the angle sum triangle theorem, known as ASTT, which tells us that the angles in a triangle add up to 180. And we have gone over the sine law and the cosine law, which technically can be used for any triangles, but are best used in non-right triangles. So what you're going to do in this activity is you're going to use a set of triangles that are on the second page that look like this. And you are going to use them to fill in the chart below. You'll notice that the chart says triangle ABC and you need to find B. What you're going to do is use the triangles to fill in what is given to you. So if we look at this triangle here, the first triangle ABC, you will notice that we have small c, we have angle B, and we have angle C. So what we're going to do is go back to here and write in side C equals 30, angle B equals 62 degrees, and angle C equals 35 degrees. And then what you're going to do is you're going to figure out what tool is the most efficient tool to solve this. If we notice about this triangle, it is not a right angle triangle. So we have to eliminate SOHCAHTOA and Pythagorean theorem. We are trying to get B. Notice we have an angle and an opposite side and another angle, and we need the opposite side, and that is what we use sine law for. So we go back to our chart and we're going to just write in here sine law, okay? And you'll notice in the question it says these tools could be SOHCAHTOA, Pythagorean theorem, ASTT, sine law, cosine law, or there's not enough information to solve, and you'll just write that in the state the law required. Okay, once you've done that for all the triangles, you're then going to go back to the triangles on the second page, and you can do this just beside. You're actually going to solve for that letter that you're asked to solve. So in ABC, we were asked to find B, so we are going to find B, and we said we're going to use the sine law. So beside it, you can do it just here. We're going to set up the sine law. So it would be sine 35 degrees over 30. That's going to equal sine 62 degrees over B. And remember, we then use cross multiplying. So we go B sine 35 degrees is going to equal 30 sine 62 degrees. And we want B by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by sine 35 degrees. That cancels that, and if we put that into our calculator, and we are being asked to round sides to 1 decimal place, we put that into our calculator, we get B is approximately 46 decimal 2. Okay, so you're going to continue doing this for the rest of the triangles, filling in the chart and then solving them on this page here. Okay,